Hi, I'm Johnny McDonald from Royal LePage and welcome to my latest listing, 1 West Hampton Road in St. Catharines. We're going to do a quick walkthrough so I can show you all the great features it has. Let's go. Nice solid brick bungalow. Welcoming entrance. Here we go. Wow, look at this. Beautiful dining area. Love it. Amazing picture window. Nice and big, beautifully updated. Love this living space. Pot lights. Great for hanging out with family and friends. And here we go. Look at this kitchen. Oh my God! I love it. So beautifully updated with a great big island on the granite galore on the counters as well as on the island. Beautiful, awesome spot for entertaining. So many great features here. Let's keep going. We're gonna make this fast. I love the hickory hardwood floors. They're gorgeous, hand scraped. Here's the main bathroom. Check it out. Wow, love this vanity double sink. Beautifully updated. Deep soaker tub over here. Deep soaker tub, I fill you up. Let's have a party. Sorry, different song. Master bedroom. Walk-in closet. Love that. Original hardwood floors in this one. Plus a double closet. And look at the size of this room. No trick photography here. This is what it is. These are extra large bedrooms. And check out this patio door to the backyard with a deck there. You're gonna love having your morning coffee there. Second bedroom here, good size still. Also with the original hardwoods and double closet. Third bedroom, huge. Oh my God, look at the size of this. Unbelievable. Again, double closet, hardwood floors. Tons of space, tons of space. It's not one of those lenses that makes the room look huge. It is actually huge. Okay, we're gonna keep rolling here, people, okay? So, we're gonna head downstairs now, which could be separated off to make a separate union. I'll show you exactly how that could be done. Bam, throw a door right there, you're done. Separate entrance here, and down we go. We're gonna walk straight into the rec room. Beautiful space. Lots of room here for family fun, hanging out. Send the teenagers down here if you want. Another storage room over here. Laundry room and cold storage there, as well as storage around the corner. Here we go, we're heading to the second bathroom. Nicely updated second bathroom here as well, with the shower. So you've already got that done as well. Back here we have the utility room and the storage room. So lots of space, lots of space. We're gonna head out back real quick. I don't want to keep you too long. I don't want you to get bored of me. Love the carport. So nice to have a carport, eh? You'll never be brushing snow off your car when you have a carport. There's not many people put a lot of junk in their carport. Look at this yard. Oh my God, can you believe this is actually just over a quarter acre, this lot? Huge. So much great space here. Love it in the deck. So much potential here and beautifully updated. Nice solid brick bungalow. If you have any questions, check out my website, gojohnnygo.ca. I look forward to having you come through it, and more importantly, I hope you buy it. It's a great house, and I hope you have a great day and an awesome weekend. Thank you.